Okay, let's review exercise 7.2 first. In triangle ABC, angle A is 80 degrees, AB and AC. It's about exercise. I did not write here, so exercise 7.2 is all about isosceles triangles. Okay, isosceles triangles means two sides are equal, two angles are equal, corresponding angles are equal. So let's start. Triangle ABC is, let's draw the triangle A, B and C, where angle A is 80 degree, and they're saying AB is equal to AC. If AB is equal to AC, we do know that this is going to be an isosceles triangle, and in isosceles triangle you always know that the corresponding sides which are equal will share an equal angle. So let's say if this is X, this will automatically become X as well. So, and we do know that the sum of the angles in a triangle will always be 180 degree. That's called angle sum property. So let's send 80 to the other side, and then the two x's will become 2x. So 180 minus 80. So x will become 180 minus 80 is 100 degrees. And then this 2, send it this side, it will become division, which makes us get 50 degrees. So they're asking for angle B. B is 50 degrees. This is B, by the way, not D. Okay. So that's it. Let's go to the next question. In triangle ABC, angle, just a little bit, yeah, sorry about that. In triangle ABC, if angle C is 55, so it's exactly the same as the previous question, except this time they say C is 55 degrees and then AB is equal to AC like the previous question. But we do know that if these two angles sides are same, then these two angles should be same. So if this is 55 degrees, this should also be what? 55 degrees, right? So this is X, so the same rule applies. So X plus 55 equal to 180. X equal to 55 plus 55 is 110. This 110 shifted this side, it will become minus 110. So X is 70 degrees, which is this, the correct answer. And then let's move on to the next question, which is this. A little more complicated question compared to the rest too. So triangle ABC is a triangle in which altitudes. So what do you understand by the term altitudes? Altitudes literally means heights, and when you say heights, height will always be 90 degrees. Okay, height means 90 degrees, always remember that. So the altitudes BE and CF, so this is BE is the altitude, and CF is also an altitude, so both are 90 degrees. So even if they don't give the question in the diagram in the question in exam, you should know that it's 90 degrees. Okay, and they are saying AC and AB are equal. So if it's equal, or not, sorry about that, triangle is a triangle in which altitudes BA and CF to the sides this and this are equal. So BE and CF are equal. Sorry about that. So if those two are equal, literally what I'm saying is the red ink and the black ink are same. Okay, so let's see what the question is saying. So they have given 4 statements, and we have to check which one is the correct one. So ABE is concurrent to ACF. Let's check where ABE is. ABE and ACF. Let's just draw the triangle here for the time being. So that's our ACF, and then let's draw ABE as well, and that's our ABE. ABE. So we can right away notice that this and this is 90 degrees, and then they did say that BE and CF are equal. So BE is here and CF is here are equal. So we want one more, right? Like you already know by now, to prove a triangle is concurrent to the other triangle, we need at least 3 stuff. 2 angles, one side, or 2 side, one angle, or 1 right angle, 1 hypotenuse, one side, whatever, side also works. So we need one more, right? So which one do you think it will be? It would be angle A. because if suppose angle A is 30 degrees, so when you're drawing this angle AFC, you're literally taking the whole angle A. And then when you're drawing the other triangle also, AEB, you're literally taking the whole triangle A. So if this is 30, this will also be 30. So, and I've already mentioned in the previous class, it doesn't have to be ASA, it can be AAS also, right? So AAS. So this statement is correct. But just for confirmation, let's check the other statements as well. So BFC, let's draw the triangle BFC, and then let's draw the other triangle, which is BEC. Let's just draw it down here. BEC. So this is E, this is C, this is B, this is F, this is B, this is C. I'm just taking the triangle and keeping it here, okay, exactly the same. So we have this is 90, this is 90. What else is there? FC, CF and BE is equal, so CF and BE is equal. And then we do have one more, which is BC. Now, that is common side. So we can say that these two triangles is also concurrent. Now what about the third one? They're saying triangle ABC is isosceles. Triangle ABC. Let's see. If suppose we just prove that these two are concurrent, right? So in case these two are concurrent, we know that AC, which is this one, will be equal to, why did I write two ACs here? Wait. Or AB, sorry. AC, which will be also equal to AB. This is for this one, B is for this one. So AC will be equal to AB. So if I draw this triangle, the bigger one, ABC, it's coming out AC is equal to AB, which means the two sides of this big triangle is equal, which means it's isosceles. So this also equal, which means all of the above. Okay, let's go to the next question, 7.3. So 7.3, we have two new rules, SSS, which we already know, of course, and RHS, which is right angle, hypotenuse and side. And when I say hypotenuse literally means when you draw a right angle triangle, this is 90 degree, then this side is called the hypotenuse, okay, this side, which will always be the longest side in a right angle triangle. So question number one, in this figure, if AD is this sine, this inverse D kind of a thing, is called perpendicular, okay? So AD is perpendicular to BC. So perpendicular means 90 degrees. That also don't forget it. So if AD is perpendicular to BC, so this 90, and AB is equal to AC. AB is this, AC is this, they're saying it's equal. Then triangle ABD is concurrent to ACD. By which concurrency rule? So let's draw the triangle and see what we have. So A, B, D and A, D, C, we have a 90, they said these two are equal, and then AD and AD is common. So what one is a right angle triangle, what have 90 degrees each, then they have the hypotenuse equal, and then one of the sides is equal, so it's going to be RHS. Okay, so let's go to the next question, question number 2. For an isosceles right angle triangle, the measurements of the three angles. So what is an isosceles right angle triangle? That should be our first question. So isosceles right angle triangle literally means a right angle triangle which is also isosceles. So right angle triangle means 90, and which is also isosceles means x and x, both angles will be same. So, and the middle one will be 90 degrees because it is a right angle triangle. Sorry for the background noise. So anyway, this would be 90 plus x equal to 180 degree, because the three angles is 180 degree. So 2x equal to 180 minus 90. 2x is 90, x is 45. So which means this will be 45, this will be 45, and this is 90. So 45, 90, and 45. Okay. Last question. In an equilateral triangle ABC, if AD is median to BC. So let's draw an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. Okay. If AD is the median, AD, let's draw the AD. Median means what? Median, the main point is the median here. What is median? Median means a line from the that divides another line into equal parts. Okay, so which means it's the midpoint, the line joining from the opposite vertex to the midpoint. So since AD is the median, it means AD is the median to BC. So BC to BC. So the line AD is dividing BC into two equal parts, which means this part and this part is equal. So literally it means if BC is, let's say, 10 centimeter, so all the sides are 10 centimeters, right? So if BC is also 10 centimeter, then AD will divide BC in such a way that BD and DC will be 5 each. 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, exactly half. Got it? So they are asking us what is angle ADB. ADB. So they are asking us what is the measurement of this. So first off, if we consider these two triangles, okay? If we consider these two triangles, ADB, ADC, we have AD and AD common, AB and AC equal because it's an isosceles triangle, all the sides are equal, and then BD and DC is equal. Why? Because D is the median, AD is the median. So by SSS rule, we can say that these two is concurrent. So if this two is concurrent, we know that this angle and this angle should be equal as well. So let's say if this is X, this will also be X, and this is a straight line. And in a straight line, the sum of the angles will always be 180 degree. So 2x equal to 180 degree, x equal to 180 divided by 2 will be 90 degrees. So that is the correct answer. We will be doing 7.4 in the next class, and then we'll move on to the next chapter.